All right, guys, here's the prototype battery pack. This is where the little USB-C charger plugs into, is right here. And these are probably going to be like glued in right here because you should never have to unplug this. And this fits like perfectly on that lid. Like you could pick it up from it even though it's not glued. But these are like a lot larger connectors for power, and I'll basically hook everything directly up to this. If you buy a whole complete kit with the battery pack, it'll all be pre-wired for you. All you have to do is plug into here. And then this is what you will hide somewhere on your bike. There's a nut that goes on this end. I just took it off for testing it and stuff, but basically this, you'll drill a hole somewhere, and this has a nice little waterproof cap so you can thread that shut when you're not charging it, and it will keep water and dust out of here. But then you can just plug it in with basically your phone charger, and I'll probably offer a charger for it as well for a little bit extra, because these are going to be priced, pretty competitively for a battery pack at least. But this is what it'll look like. This is obviously the prototype. It's a little rough around the edges. The final ones will look a little bit better than this, but now I need to test it out. Oh, and this will also be sealed. I'm gonna put like some sort of sealant in between these screws and everything and around here, and then I'll close it all up so that it's as watertight as I can make it. Being 3D printed, it won't be waterproof, but it will definitely be splash proof or whatever. You should be able to power wash this lightly. I mean, you're not going to want to get right on next to it, but you should be able to just barely mist it. But I'm going to be testing all of those things here shortly, and then I'll be able to post these up for sale. And I still need to look into what the process is for shipping these, since they are lithium batteries. I'm sure it's not much different other than just has to be shipped to USPS ground or UPS ground or whatever. But I'm gonna bolt this onto my bike at some point and go ride around like crazy and just make sure it's not gonna fall apart or break or something like that. I'll rinse it with some water, see how well it holds up, because I don't want you guys to be the ones to have that sort of thing cause an issue. So I'll be testing it first. But yeah, this is the basic idea of how those are gonna work. So if any of you are interested, just keep watching here and I'll post any more updates as I have them for you.